Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have Dell Inspiron or Vostro laptop which has Goodix fingerprint sensor, and when you log into the computer, on the login screen you don't see the fingerprint option. So you're not able to log into the computer using fingerprint. So even after setting up the fingerprint, you're not able to use fingerprint. So when you set up the fingerprint, it tells you all set, use your fingerprint the next time you want to unlock your device. But when you go and try to log into your computer, you don't see the fingerprint option and you're not able to log into the computer using fingerprint. So if this is happening on Inspiron and Vostro laptop, and I'll show you this issue is actually seen on these model number. So if you have one of these model number, you might be facing this problem. So I'll provide the complete list in the video description so you can get it from there. So in order to fix this problem, you have to go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description, and then open this link. It will take you to the Dell website where you can go ahead and enter the service tag number of your Dell computer and then click on search, or you can click on browse all products, then select laptops, then select your model number. So here the issue is seen on Inspiron and Vostro. So if you have Inspiron, select Inspiron. If you have Vostro, select Vostro. So I'm selecting Inspiron. So whatever is your model number, go ahead and select your model number. And then, for example, I'm selecting 5490. So, but make sure that you select your model number. So I'm just selecting, for example, I'm showing you what to do. So select your model number from the list, then click on it, and it will take you to drivers and download page. Click on drivers and download, and then here you will see the category option. Make sure that the right operating system is selected over here. In my case, it's Windows 10 64-bit. So click on this down arrow over here, and then select security. Select security, and once you select security, you will be able to see Goodix fingerprint sensor driver. So click on download. You have to download the latest version of Goodix fingerprint sensor driver. Click on download. Then you have to go ahead and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and then you will see the install option. So click on install and then follow the on-screen instruction to install this driver. Once the driver is installed, you can go ahead and go to the power start menu, then click on restart. And after the restart, you should be able to see the fingerprint option, and you can just use your fingerprint to log into your computer. But still you are facing the problem, then you can go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then go to accounts, and then click on sign in options. Click on sign in option, then click on Windows Hello Fingerprint and remove the previous fingerprint, and then set up the fingerprint once again, and then you should be able to log into your computer using fingerprint without any issue. So that will go ahead and fix the problem for you. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.